Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
Billy Crawford performing HICCUPS at his big city tour. Long time ago. I would guess like early 2000s.
This is his fan page?
Or
his page?
It's not his, no, it's just a random page. Yeah.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, big breaks. One. I can get the worst too. Something like the way she looks at me. Sometimes on another six I create bodies like fire.
Oh, he's been dancing for a long time.
Yeah, well, and so one of the dancers is wearing LeBron's Cavaliers jersey, so I can tell you that's from 2003 to 2009. So pick a date.
How you know it's all the time happening?
And he went to time before LeBron got drafted in 03. Okay. He makes good music, man. I wish.
That's so unfortunate.
I wish he had better timing. I feel like if he was making this music now, he would pop here in the States. Or if maybe pop is not the right word. To pop in the States is really hard, but at least to become like somewhat known. Like kind of like, you know, how the K-pop people are known here in the States. Like I wouldn't say anybody from K-pop popped in the States except for maybe BTS, but they are known. So I think he could have accomplished that.
But I think it's really cool. He needs to experience doing this than never to experience it at all.
Yeah, if I remember the comment correctly, this was in the UK, so you know he had the tour in Europe.
That's really cool.
Yeah, that's really good.
Wow.
Okay. I like his dance moves are good, his music, like the beats are really good. Yeah, man. I honestly, I wish back then I knew his name. I could have listened to them because this was really like fitting of the time frame, like what was popular back then.
Or he could have been like casted to like step up.
Oh yeah, his music is like exactly what step up music is. Yep. And he has cornrows; those used to be popular back then. Allen Iverson and whatnot. So it has to be like early, like from 2003 to 2005, 6, I would say.
No. I feel like...
That's when Allen Iverson played.
No, but I feel like cornrows always has been a thing.
I think Allen back then, like, because of Allen
No.
Iverson was...
Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. For the jerseys, you could tell them, yes, but not for the jerseys.
How could you say so? Oh, that got cut. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Well, anyway.
Pretty cool tour. He did a phenomenal job.
Yeah,
He's definitely a performer. He knows how to sing and dance and perform on the stage. He's not boring. So of course, I would love to see more of his performances to see how he.
Maybe have a couple more left in the Discord. Yeah.
Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord, and as always, share as much kindness as possible.